Hello YouTube, what's up? Today I am super excited because I'm going to do possibly what is the best hike all around New York City, maybe even the best hike in New York State. It's called the Breakneck Ridge Trail, which is a 4 to 5 mile challenging trail and got pretty much everything. It got adventure, it got scrambling, it has some of the best views of the Hudson Highlands and the Hudson River, and it is going to be super exciting. I come here many times before, but every time I come here I'm as excited I was at the first time. So let's get this started. Have a look at that. It just goes straight up right from the beginning, and you're pretty much going to be scrambling very often. This trail is challenging no matter what. I come here at least 7 or 8 times, but the difficulty level does not get any less. Definitely not just a walk in the park. How's it going? You guys doing good? Made it to the first overlook. That train is easily 2 miles long. The front of the train is near that marina over there, and the rear end of the train is over there. Such epic views. It's gorgeous. That's the mighty Hudson River. That mountain I think is called the Storm King, and there's a road that actually cuts through that. And this is the Hudson Highlands. This is what they call. So on the right you have the Hudson River down below, and then you have this series of hills and small mountains. That's what they call it the Hudson Highlands. That, by the way, was just a false summit. Just one of the many summits that you will encounter on this trail. Just a bit of a psychological boost that you made it to the first summit, but then you see that there are at least 3 more summits still to go. It ain't easy. Made it to the second summit. Could not have asked for a better day to hike today. The temperature is in the low 60s, which for the month of July is pretty amazing. Very little humidity, so you're not sweating profusely. Just the perfect weather. That's the second summit over there. And then you went down, and I come back over here again. This place is magical. Can't believe we are just an hour out of New York City. It's like a world away. That's, I think, is the final summit. That's where we are heading, and then we'll go a bit more further in, and then we'll do a loop and come back down. No matter how many times I do this hike, it never gets any easy or less exciting. There's always enough on this hike to keep you interested, excited. You always get that sense of adventure. Also, it's important you don't take this hike lightly. Make sure you are well hydrated. Make sure you are wearing the right hiking gear. Good shoes and boots are must. Make sure you are reasonably fit before doing this. Probably not a beginner hike for sure, but if you are moderately fit like me, I think you got it. Well, I guess it also helps if you're taller, then you have to scramble less, but it doesn't make any easier, only a little bit easier, I guess. And we go up and up. Probably the last push to the summit. I think it's probably like a mile or less than a mile. We'll get there. I have no hurry. It's beautiful weather and look at the views. Spectacular. I think this is definitely the summit. I don't think it goes any higher than this. It doesn't look like anyways. It's really beautiful out here. And such a beautiful day to be out hiking or just be outdoors. Let me know what you guys are up to today on a Saturday morning. A beautiful Saturday morning. A rather cool Saturday morning for the month of July. I would love to hear in the comments what you guys are up to today. Maybe you guys have plans to go to the beach. Maybe you have plans to go hiking like me, or biking, or maybe you just plan to take a nap. Whatever it is, let me know in the comments. I got this Power Crunch protein energy bar from Trader Joe's last night. I don't think I ever had it before, but given I'm such a big fan of Trader Joe's in general, I'm sure this is going to taste good. I'm excited to try this out. Let's try this. Nice and crunchy. It's like a wafer coated with chocolate. Really like it. Can't go wrong. I like Trader Joe's. I love chocolate. Good combination. You know, this might be my favorite section of the trail, because there are no people over here. I left behind all the crowds. There is absolutely no scrambling, although I don't mind the occasional scrambling. And it's pretty much a nice stroll through the forest over here. Wow, look at this guy. Reddish pinkish on the top. It has this design kind of weaves at the bottom. Wow, never knew mushrooms could be so beautiful to look at. Although this guy's taken some beating, but it's still kind of maintaining its bright red color. Okay, mushroom, bye. That's a monster. Looks like the mushroom can eat me. I'm actually scared to touch it. Whoop. Does this look like a giant mushroom? It feels like I'm walking through an enchanted forest. It's so quiet and peaceful over here. No one to bother. Just the sounds of nature. This is a really nice trail. I mean, if the scramble was all exciting, this is like peace, tranquility. Now sometimes we forget to appreciate this tranquility. We take these things for granted, but I think these things need to be appreciated. The sounds of nature, the peace, the silence. I think our life is always buzzing with so many sounds, all kinds of artificial sounds, sights, not much natural things that we get to experience on a day-to-day basis. Sometimes it's good to come out on hikes like this to experience all those things that we have long forgotten. Looks like I have some company. Finally. So these are the chanterelle mushrooms. They are edible apparently. They're all over the place over here. They are a little bit old. I guess a week back they would have been really nice to pluck. But it's good to know that some of the mushrooms are edible. Oh, blueberries. Really tiny blueberries. I think I'm going to eat it. Tastes just like blueberries, of course. Really nice, sweet, a bit tangy. Organic blueberries. Wow, that was a nice lunch. So on that note, I think it's time to wrap up this video. I only have about 0.3 or 0.4 miles of a leisurely stroll down back to the car park. And so if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. I also like to hear from you guys. Let me know in the comment what is your favorite hike. Let me know what you did today on this beautiful Saturday. And if you like this kind of content, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, it's bye.